What is up, everyone? Today I finally got a replacement for my battery charger. I had one a long time ago, and then I just got like a 2 amp one shortly after, just to kind of maintain a couple batteries. I mean, stuff like that. Throughout the winter, I just want to make sure that I was going to be able to charge as well as maintain. But for faster charging, something that I can count on within a day, at least for larger batteries, I am in need of a new battery charger. And I found this one on Amazon. It's Amazon Basic. 12 volts, 8 and 2 amp, and a variety of other languages. It was $60. Like I said, I need a new one, and I haven't been buying one because they're always just really expensive for a decent one. And then I saw this one, it had really good reviews, it was here within a day. So I want to unbox it and see what we have here. I have not seen it, so we'll take a look at it together. And we'll get my instant opinion. Okay. Clamps. Kind of look like they were originally Coca-Cola cans repurposed. I guess it's not horrible. My old one though had basically jumper cables, like the quality of them at least. This is definitely not that. But if they charge batteries and I don't get shocked, that's fine. Granted, I don't know how I would with something like this, but okay. Next we have this. It's not horrible. It's a handle on top. It's actually a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be. It's a model, you can read that. AB107. It just seems kind of cheesy. This face seems like it's gonna fall off. I could definitely see this being a something that would have like Harbor Freight written on it. But my old one was from Harbor Freight. Of course, it did die on me. Oddly, I think I paid the same amount for it too. But it's a battery charger. The only reason why my old one even broke is I accidentally spilled something on it. So I can't really even give it any problems with that. So why don't I grab a battery and get a little extension cord, we'll plug it in and we'll see if it makes any weird noises. So that's really the only thing I found is this, but whatever. So that is pretty good. I hear a fan of some sort of rolling. Positive, positive, negative to negative. It says it's on. Apparently there's no switch. It's just you plug in and it's on. Let's see. Connect the positive clamp and negative clamp, so on and so forth. The 3 LED lights for approximately 2 seconds. Where are the 3 LED lights? That doesn't make any sense. Okay. I mean, I guess there's 2, but I don't see 3. Next, the on LED light in the battery will properly connect. If the clamps are reversed, the reverse LED will be flashing. 3. Green LED means it's full. Okay, well, it's not full. Oh, that must be the reverse. No, that's the reverse. Well, at least it's quiet. My old one was definitely a lot more loud. Yeah, I think it's okay. Impressions, let's see here. I have a 10, thinking a 6. I don't smell anything, so that's good. The only reason why I would give it a 6 is these LEDs are a little hard to read. This clamp, or these clamps, are definitely not great. I probably might in the future change it out to a better quality if this is a good charger. But I do like the fact it's small, it's quiet, something I could put away in a corner, so that's useful. Yeah, I think it's pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with it actually, just the quality. But I have to buy a new pair of clamps, and the actual charger is good. I'm totally okay with that. Like I said, a pair of clamps aren't that expensive, and the charging part is the only something else I don't really like is it 8 amps when it's charging all the time, and the 2 amps when it's done, just to maintain it. Oh, there is a book. Yeah. That would be flashing if it was reversed. On, I mean, and that color means it's charging. Flashing on means it's in abort mode. Oh, that's why it's not on there. This one turns green when it's finished. Okay. Doesn't really give you much of anything else. Oh, here we go. What type of battery is this? 4 amp hours, okay. It will take approximately, according to this chart, 2 hours? Maybe less. That's nice. And the rest is everything else in different languages. Yeah, I would say a 6. I'll put a link in the description below. Would I buy it again? And yeah, I know they have a smaller one. I would not buy that one. Because one, it was like $10 or $15 less. And it didn't have the 8 amp function. It only had the 2. That I think is worthless. But yeah, I think it's pretty decent. Even though I'm only giving it a 6, I would say I'd probably still buy it again. But I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. I might in a later video just kind of throw in a update on this one, because it is kind of like an overtime scenario. But so far, initial impressions is my only concern is just the general quality and the clamps. Okay, well, if you like what you see, leave a comment. Definitely throw a thumbs up, that helps me out a lot. Definitely subscribe. I'll catch everyone later. Have a good night.